In Inmarsat's U.S. government business unit, we have a single national customer, and therefore we feel the winds of political and budget change most acutely. Within that customer segment, however, we have a variety of different individual customers with their own mission requirements, and each of them is looking for something of value in their communications solution. LTAC is our solution to augment MilSatCom by providing UHF-compatible services across Inmarsat satellites with a minimum of changes to customer equipment. HDR is the new capability using existing Inmarsat satellites to provide high data rate equivalent to VSAT services from a very small terminal. And Global Express, our newest service, is now being introduced to provide even wider beyond VSAT services to a growing U.S. government market which demands high data rates and also MilSatCom augmentation. In the summer of 2013, Inmarsat launched AlphaSat, the fourth and most sophisticated of our series of L-band satellites. This satellite adds considerably to our global L-band mix and provides on-orbit redundancy as well as additional capacity, and shows Inmarsat's continuing commitment to the L-band fleet as a key part of our strategy. In December of 2013, Inmarsat launched the first of its Global Express satellites. The Global Express satellite represents the point of inflection for Inmarsat in bringing in new services in the Ka band, where wideband capabilities and MilSatCom augmentation are possible. Both Inmarsat GX and AlphaSat work together as part of a team where we have a combination of services across the spectrum to provide complete capabilities that range from small, very portable terminals all the way up to high data rate on-the-move services. People often ask, what is the future for the use of commercial satellite services by the U.S. government? In fact, there's a lot of changes happening with the U.S. government right now, both the increased introduction of additional MilSatCom capability and a reduction in the op tempo around the world. Inmarsat is very well positioned to take advantage of both of these in an interesting way. First of all, Inmarsat is global, and because of that, we can serve the future requirements as the needs arise. With managed services that are complete end-to-end, Inmarsat specializes as being where the customer needs to be when they need to go. In this way, Inmarsat augments the existing MilSatCom systems, which are oftentimes tied to specific areas of regional demand. In addition, Inmarsat has been making investments in truly augmenting, from a technical perspective, the global capabilities of U.S. MilSatCom. This is true in both our LTAC product, which augments MilSatCom narrowband, and in our Global Express product, which augments MilSatCom wideband. For both of these, Inmarsat has designed them technically to be compatible with existing military terminals, allowing those terminals and the users to operate across Inmarsat transparently. By taking advantage of these, Inmarsat is well positioned to move forward in the U.S. government market space to serve those customers with urgent global demands. We see the bandwidth demand in U.S. government continuing to rise, and Inmarsat looks forward to working with the U.S. government to position its products alongside the government's organic capabilities to meet the future mission needs.